Well, hi there. Yet again, you're here with old Barry. And come on along with me here while we show you some of the regional views around Cabrera. And I'm going to attempt to answer one of the most common questions I field. That is, of all the places you've been, why Cabrera? Now, there's several reasons for that. I do make my living by relocating people and helping families blend in by selling real estate and introducing them to the people that they should know here, trustworthy people. But over the past 15 plus years, there are several reasons why we chose Cabrera. One was the demographics. Being Canadian, it's quite easy to get back to visit family and friends and vice versa. If we take the 8:30 flight out of Puerto Plata Airport, which is about an hour and a half away from our house in Cabrera, we'll be in Timmins, Ontario, which is the northernmost part of Ontario, by dinner time. There's few places you can say that. Another reason was diversity. This country, both weather and terrain, is one of the most diverse countries there are in the world. There are actually parts of this country, even though we're 18 degrees off the equator, that will snow flurry during the winter. Frost is very common. Our altitudes exceed 10,000 square feet. Another base, the weather. It can't freeze here, so those of us who are trend savvy and look at things of that nature for safety, we never have to worry about freezing down in any of the parts other than the highest altitudes of this country, which nobody lives there full time anyway. Secondly is the cost of living. The cost of living around Cabrera is a fraction of what it would be in any place like US, Canada, where I'm from, Europe. The values on properties are incredible for what you actually get. Many of the properties here are selling for approximately $100,000 to $150,000 in other parts of the world will exceed $1 million, and that is without a doubt true. The cost of living is a fraction. We are surrounded by food, whether it's cattle, whether it's fruits, vegetables. We have an incredible assortment of beaches. And just around the Cabrera area where we live, there's 8. And the only time you're ever going to find them crowded is either on a long weekend, a major holiday like Christmas or Easter, and Easter happens to be the most popular holiday here, and on Sundays. Otherwise, the beaches are pretty much to yourself, and there's some beaches spanning 3 miles, and you'll be lucky to find maybe a dozen people on the whole beach. Cabrera is a coast town that has a cliff front rather than a beach, which is one of the biggest reasons why we live here. The bulk of the population surrounding Cabrera is either seasonal, residential, which is like your 6 months, people call them snowbirds, or full-time residents. Agriculture is our biggest return in this region, followed by seasonal tourism. The internet is excellent, that's another thing, and also Starlink is available for those of you that like the new internet system by Elon Musk. There's just so many things here, from health, better quality of life, lack of stress, although you can be stressed in any place you choose to be. But why not come out, give me a shout, let's book some time together and let us show you why we say there's no place like Cabrera. Give us 2 weeks and your memories will last a lifetime. We'll talk to you soon.